Imagine turning back the clock on your skin, hair, nails, and joints, all in one simple, versatile scoop. Introducing Advanced Collagen Plus, the premium collagen supplement that sets a new standard for beauty, health, and vitality. Unlike ordinary collagen products, Advanced Collagen Plus uniquely combines 5 powerful collagen types sourced meticulously from 4 top-quality origins. This carefully curated blend provides your body with a comprehensive, superior collagen profile, delivering stunning, visible results. But this advanced formula doesn't stop at just collagen. It elevates your self-care routine by adding targeted ingredients designed for maximum beauty and wellness benefits. Biotin. Known as the beauty vitamin, biotin amplifies collagen's effects, boosting glowing, youthful skin, resilient nails, and thick, lustrous hair. Feel renewed confidence as you experience visible beauty transformations each day. A chondroitin sulfate. Enhance your comfort and flexibility with proven joint support. Chondroitin complements collagen's restorative benefits, ensuring you move with ease, free from discomfort. Worried about taste or inconvenience? Advanced Collagen Plus is 100% flavorless, effortlessly dissolving into any hot or cold liquid. Add it to your coffee, tea, smoothies, soups, or even plain water. It's that easy and versatile, seamlessly fitting into your daily routine without altering your favorite drinks. Thousands already enjoy younger-looking skin, vibrant hair, stronger nails, and greater mobility thanks to Advanced Collagen Plus. Imagine effortlessly reclaiming youthful radiance and flexibility with a single daily serving. Experience the difference of true premium quality, because your beauty and vitality deserve the absolute best. Upgrade your collagen experience today. With Advanced Collagen Plus, powerful anti-aging benefits, radiant beauty, and improved joint comfort are only one deliciously convenient scoop away. Your body will thank you, guaranteed.